Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. The one Indian dish that has made its place globally is none other than butter chicken, and today's video is on the same. It's a super yummy dish and a great way to treat guests. To start with, 1 kg chicken is cleaned and cut into medium pieces and is marinated with a pinch of salt, turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and kept aside for a minimum of half an hour. Next, on the other hand, 2 medium-sized onions are sauteed along with 4 red chilies, a teaspoon of chopped ginger and garlic, 3 big ripe tomatoes, and allowed to cook for about 4 minutes. Once the onions and tomatoes are sauteed, around 20 grams of cashews is added to the mix and then allowed to cool. The chicken pieces are then shallow fried while the sauteed vegetables are ground into a very fine paste. This paste is then transferred to the same pan used for sauteing the vegetables. 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder is added to the curry paste, followed by the fried chicken pieces. Adequate salt is added to the gravy and 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce, and water needed for the gravy is added to the paste, and this is allowed to cook for about 8 minutes. Now the curry is cooked well and 1 teaspoon of sugar, a small amount of kasuri methi are added, followed by 1 teaspoon of fresh cream. This is now simmered for about 30 seconds. Thus, the mouth-watering butter chicken is ready to be served. You can add more cream if preferred and relish the curry. Hope you will try out this recipe and enjoy your weekend.